Our first speaker of the day is Dr. Ramakrishna Purohit. From the healthcare, please welcome Dr. Ramakrishna Purohit. A big hand to you, sir. He's going to talk to us about obstetrics and gynecology. Thank you so much, sir.
Good morning, everybody. I'll take about 3 to 4 minutes and I'll speak my feelings. I have been sent to this earth through my parents from a remote place of Odisha, Bargarh, to perform a tiny contribution for the peaceful living of the lives on this earth. I, among billions of people of the world, after my MBBS, MD in obstetrics and gynecology from VSS Medical College, Burla, Sambalpur University of Odisha in 1989, felt the knowledge I acquired was not enough for me for an up-to-date medical practice in my field. I work in different hospitals, including the Brishkandi Hospital of Mumbai, to equip myself with up-to-date knowledge before entering to medical practice. Many of my brainy doctors, friends, they left for USA, UK, and many developed countries. But I had a desire to develop the healthcare of the people of my native place with modern facilities. And that was also my responsibility, because this earth has given, this place has brought me to this world. I decided to do one specific work, among other in the field of obstetrics and gynecology. I have not done many works. I have done only one work. When I landed in Bargarh in 1992, in that field also, I intended to focus on the least invasive method of hysterectomy. Hysterectomy is surgical removal of uterus in women. Again, in that least invasive method of hysterectomy, I work at a macro level, natural orifice hysterectomy by electrosurgery since 1997 to perform my job entrusted by God at that time when I was sent to this earth. I wanted to be a master of one, then the jackal of all trades. I used the available small amount of resources I had with avoiding the medical ethics. I believe in truth, I believe in hard work, I believe in positive thinking, I believe in simple living, and I like to give something to this earth for the next generation. I innovated Purohit technique of vaginal hysterectomy, a new approach, and it was published in prestigious British Journal of Obstetrics and Gynecology in December 2003. My friend Dr. J.B. Sharma, he is now professor in All India Institute of Medical Science, New Delhi. He told that you have proved that the innovation can be done in a remote place of India. It is not limited to cities. An operation technique with the attached family name appeared in British Journal is considered to be the lifetime achievement. It is very rare. Friends, innovation happens spontaneously. If you like, you cannot do. It happens. By now, I have developed many more internationally published techniques in the field of natural orifice hysterectomy, and that has been useful for women of patients with benign diseases of uterus of the community. Patients of Odisha and neighboring states, they have already endorsed the benefit of my innovation. I have shared my innovation among the gynecologists of the world for better care of women in their localities. We have trained many gynecologists of national and international level through numerous workshops and conferences. We continued our research in spite of many appreciations and criticism. People that do not leave criticizing you also when you are progressing at national and international level. More appreciations to our work than the amount of criticism, of course, gave us fresh inspiration to our ongoing spirit of clinical research. Innovations have the innovator, they have a peculiar type of brain. I have a peculiar type of brain, I am telling you, that we can palpate the defect and deficiency of the current system that requires improvement for the future generation. Research, development, innovation will fill the deficiencies in our countries to move us ahead. In spite of the place and the facilities available, we have done a lot. It is not the place or the facility, but a mind is needed for some innovation. Such brains are required in our country. We need to prepare such brains for improving the quality of education as well as reducing the brain drains. By all means, people are going abroad and we are getting the deficiency of this sort of people. I was well aware that the medical practice cannot make me very rich. I cannot be a richest person of India or of the world only by doing medical practice. Thus, I did not run after the money. I ran after the research and development. And today, I have placed my native place, Bargarh, in the world map of gynecology. I have enough earning for my family and my wife. I believe in investing money for children education. I am happy with this amount of tiny contribution to the medical science. I have contributed something. People of my fraternity now listen to me. They do listen my voice. Someday, after my departure from this world, gynecologists of the world will remember my contribution. That is being the ultimate motto of a successful life. I salute my motherland. Thank you very much for giving me the opportunity to sharing my feelings to you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Next category for healthcare icon of innovation in Eastern India in obstetrics and gynecology, and the winner is Dr. Ramkrishna Purohit. Please welcome Dr. Ramkrishna on stage to receive the award. Thank you so much for joining us, sir, today. A reputed gynecologist from Odisha has innovative.
के बाद में इन तीनों सबको भेज कर इन तीनों का नाम करते हैं।